Hi everybody, we're going to take a quick look at composition of functions in MyOpenMath, and I just have one quick example to walk through with you. The number of bacteria in a refrigerated food product is given by N of capital T is 27 capital T squared minus 74 capital T plus 22, where capital T is the temperature of the food and it's between 3 and 33 degrees. When the food is removed from the refrigerator, the temperature is given by capital T of lowercase t, which is equal to 7 times lowercase t plus 1.5. This lowercase t is the time in hours, and that means how long it's been out of the refrigerator. So part one, we're going to find the composition N of capital T of lowercase t. Watch this special note that you don't need to expand the function, and that's going to be really important. So to find the composition, what I want to do is plug this t of t into this first function, n of t. So here where it says n of t, I'm going to write n of, and I'm going to put my function t of t, which is 7t plus 1.5. So that says anywhere I see a capital T in my first function, I'm now going to plug in 7t plus 1.5. So I'll have 27 times 7t plus 1.5, that's squared, minus 74 times 7t plus 1.5, then plus 22. So see the note where it says you don't need to expand it? That means this is exactly what you need to put in to MyOpenMath. So I wanted to show you, I typed that in, and I'm going to submit that piece of the question to see that that's right. Now let's move on to the second piece. The second piece says find the number of bacteria in the food after it's been in the refrigerator for 4.6 hours. So we have two ways we can do this. We can take the 4.6 and plug it into the function that we just found, or we can plug the 4.6 into the original 7t plus 1.5, get a number, and then plug that into the other function. Since we've already done the composition, I'm going to use the function that we entered and put in 4.6. So I'll have 27 times 7 times 4.6 plus 1.5, that'll be squared, minus 74 times 7 times 4.6 plus 1.5 plus 22. Looking at order of operations, we know that we first do what's in parentheses. So when I put 7 times 4.6 plus 1.5 in my calculator, I get 33.7. We'll come back and square that. Notice we have exactly the same number in our second parenthesis, that's 33.7, and then we have a plus 22. So I'm just going to throw all of this in my calculator right now, and I see it gives me 20,191.83. I'm going to put exactly that into MyOpenMath. So this says the number of bacteria will be 28,191.83. Let's submit it to see that we got it right. Make sure you put the number in that you give exact answers. If your homework says the number of decimal places to round to, then make sure you use that as a guide as well.